Let it go.
One,
Your shoulder,
three.
don't you know? The hardest part is over.
Babay kayo.
Let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end. We will only just remember.
Hi, Ate Kimi! Congratulations po on your new journey as a manager sa Fundamentals team. Wishing you all the best po in this new venture in your career. Thank you po for being such an understanding mentor and after sa amin, sa aming new hires, and hope to see you po pa rin sa office. Malapit lang naman sa office. Congrats, Ate!
Hello, Ate Kimi. Congratulations on your promotion. Super deserving yan. And it really shows sa leadership skills mo, sa kung paano mo i-handle yung buong TV. Thank you for guiding me as my mentor, especially whenever things go wrong. Sa napakahabang pasensya to understand and to remind me of everything. I'm really, really proud and happy for you. And you're one of the people I really look up to. Congratulations again, Ate Kimi. See you around. Bye.
Hi, Ate Kimi! Thank you po sa pagbili ng Malaysian document ko and din po lahat po na advice niyo sa amin sa work is like po namin aalalahanin. And congrats, Miss Kim! We will miss you po!
Hi, Ate Kimi. First and foremost, I would like to wholeheartedly congratulate you on your promotion as manager to Fundamentals. It's been a great pleasure working with you, and Entity will surely miss you as our employee. But at the same time, we are also happy on your well-deserved achievement. We wish you the best of luck on your journey.
Ate Kimi, congratulations on your promotion. We're very proud of you and good luck sa new journey mo. And sobrang proud sa'yo ng buong team. And that's all. Good luck, Ate Kimi.
Congratulations on your promotion, Ate Kimi. Thank you for everything you've done for the team, and we hope you stay what you are, and we're just really grateful for everything you've done for us. Congratulations again.
Hello, Ate Kimi. Ay, Miss Kimi pala. Congratulations on your promotion. We're so proud of you. We wish you all the best in your path mo, and you continue being an inspiration to others. See you around.
Hello, Ate Kimi. Congratulations again on your well-deserved promotion. This promotion is not just a rise in your position, but a recognition of your vision, resilience, and quiet strength in leadership. You have proven that authority is earned through integrity, consistency, and the ability to lift others. May this new chapter expand your influence, sharpen your purpose, and allow your light to guide many. Just let me know if you want to modify this message to a more formal...
Hi, Ate. Hello po. So, congrats ulit sa iyong well-deserved promotion. So, ayun po. Thank you ulit, Ate Kimi, sa lahat ng knowledge, strategy, and sa lahat ng paggabay mo sa team, and sa pagiging approachable. Lahat ay naging magaan dahil ikaw yung naging senior namin. Super approachable mo, and lagi kang open to help. Kahit minsan feeling namin nagiging abala na kami sa'yo. So, ayun po, sana happy ka and see you around sa kabilang station. Congrats ulit, Ate Kimi. See you around. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Kimi. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Kaming TD, sobrang saya para sa'yo. Kitang-kita naman po namin lahat na kung gaano ka kahusay at kasipag. Thank you din po for being such a reliable senior for us. Congratulations, Miss Kim!
Hi, Ate Kimi. I mean, manager team na pala. So, ayan, congrats on your promotion. The universe just bless you with what you deserve. Alam ko sinasabi mo na nakakakaba or nakaka-challenge, but lagi mong tandaan na hindi ka dyan naglalagay ni Lord kung hindi mo kakayanin. So, alam ko na kayang-kaya mo yung bago challenge, and excited na rin ako sa magiging story mo on your new team. Yun lang, Ate Kimi. Good luck and congrats!